Welcome to Choice Top. Today we're exploring the world of coffee machines with milk frothers, helping you find the best one for your needs. These machines bring the coffee shop experience to your home, allowing you to prepare cappuccinos, lattes, and other delicious drinks with ease. Whether you prefer manual control over milk frothing or a fully automated system, there's a perfect model for everyone. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 options, from budget-friendly choices to premium machines. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below about your favorite coffee machine. You'll find links to all the products and official videos in the description. Starting off at number 5, we have the DeLonghi EC155M. This is a great entry-level espresso machine with a manual steam wand, giving you control over your milk froth to create the perfect cappuccino or latte. Its 15-bar pressure pump ensures proper espresso extraction, delivering rich and aromatic coffee. The machine supports both ground coffee and ESE pods, offering flexibility in your brewing choices. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, while the stainless steel boiler ensures durability. For those looking for an affordable way to make espresso-based drinks at home, this is a solid option. Next, at number 4, the Philips 3200 series Lattego EP3241/54 takes convenience to the next level. This fully automatic espresso machine features the Lattego system, which froths milk to a smooth, creamy texture with no hassle. The touch display lets you choose between 5 coffee drinks, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte macchiato. The ceramic grinders ensure long-lasting performance while preserving the coffee's natural flavors. With the AquaClean filter, you can brew up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale the machine. Cleaning is incredibly easy thanks to the 2-part milk system that doesn't have any tubes or hidden components. It's perfect for those who want high-quality coffee with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3, the Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine offers a great balance between automation and manual control. This compact model features a Panarello steam wand, making it easy to froth milk for creamy cappuccinos. It comes with a ceramic burr grinder for consistent coffee grounds and a bypass doser for pre-ground coffee. The user-friendly interface lets you customize strength and volume, ensuring every cup is made to your preference. The removable brew group makes cleaning and maintenance simple, keeping the machine running smoothly over time. If you want an affordable super automatic espresso machine with great customization options, this one is worth considering. The Breville Barista Express BES 870XL is a semi-automatic espresso machine that is perfect for anyone looking to get more involved in the coffee-making process. Unlike fully automated machines, this one allows you to manually control the strength, volume, and texture of your coffee, making it ideal for coffee enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different flavors and brewing techniques. One of the standout features of this machine is the integrated conical burr grinder, which grinds fresh beans directly before brewing, ensuring that each cup is as fresh as possible. The grinder is adjustable, so you can choose from different grind sizes to match your preferences. The steam wand on the Barista Express is also a key selling point. It gives you full control over the milk frothing process, allowing you to create creamy lattes or frothy cappuccinos. If you're interested in learning how to make latte art, this machine gives you the tools to do so with ease. It's incredibly intuitive, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned baristas. Overall, the Breville Barista Express is a fantastic choice for anyone serious about their coffee, especially those who want to enjoy the process of making their favorite drinks at home. It offers a great combination of high-quality espresso, reliable performance, and the flexibility to customize each cup to your exact preference. Finally, at number 1, the Jura E8 stands as the ultimate premium coffee machine. The E8 utilizes the pulse extraction process, PEP, a technology that optimizes extraction time, ensuring that every shot of espresso is full of aroma and flavor. This means that whether you're brewing a simple espresso or a more complex coffee, the machine extracts the perfect amount of flavor, making each cup exceptional. The precision of the PEP ensures consistency in every shot, guaranteeing quality across the board. Another standout feature is the Intelligent Water System, IWS, which automatically detects the filter, ensuring the water quality is always at its best. High-quality water is a crucial part of making a great coffee, and the Jura E8 makes sure that's never an issue. This system also extends the lifespan of the machine, as it helps prevent limescale buildup and other maintenance issues. This level of automation is perfect for anyone who wants great coffee without having to worry about the technical details. The Jura E8 also has a user-friendly interface, featuring an intuitive color display that allows you to customize your coffee to your exact taste. You can choose from a wide range of drinks, such as espresso, ristretto, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, all at the touch of a button. It's also highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the strength, temperature, and milk texture for every drink. In conclusion, the Jura E8 stands out as the best coffee machine for those who want a premium experience with state-of-the-art features. It combines exceptional performance, convenience, and design, making it the top choice for anyone who wants to enjoy perfect coffee every time with minimal effort. That wraps up our list of the top 5 coffee machines with milk frothers. When choosing the right one, consider your budget, the level of control you prefer, and the types of coffee drinks you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Check the description for links to all the featured products and official videos. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!